Imagine your yard as an oasis, a lush green sanctuary that brings you joy and peace. But what if your yard is more of an eyesore with overgrown weeds, patchy grass, and wilting plants? A neglected yard can be more than just an aesthetic issue. It can attract pests, lead to structural damage, and even impact your health. Introducing Alfredo's Lawn Service, the ultimate solution for your lawn care needs. With a team of experienced professionals and a wide range of services, we'll transform your yard into a beautiful and healthy space. Imagine spending time in your beautiful yard, enjoying the beauty of nature and the serenity it brings. Don't let a neglected yard bring you down. Call Alfredo's Lawn Service today and let us turn your lawn into the oasis you've always dreamed of.